Hey guys, what's up? If your iPhone is stuck on that iOS 26 update requested error, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through how to fix it right here. This bug can be a bit of a nightmare, but it's actually pretty easy to solve once you know what to do. So let's jump right in and break down the steps. First, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Go after a stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's not switching between cellular and Wi-Fi. If the signal is weak, your phone would probably keep looping the update request. If Wi-Fi looks fine, you want to restart your iPhone. This sounds simple, but it helps clear out minor system glitches. Just power it off, wait a bit, and turn it back on. Now head over to Settings, go to General, then Software Update. If it's still stuck, you gotta cancel the download. Tap iPhone Storage, find the iOS 26 file, and delete it. This would bring in a fresh start. Then try downloading again. This time it should start clean and not get stuck on update requested. If it still does, you might want to sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. It can make up for any sync errors with Apple's servers. Also, keep your iPhone plugged in while updating. A low battery can call on the system to pause updates. And make sure you have enough free storage space. At least 10 gigabytes is worth aiming for. If none of this works, you can link up your iPhone to a Mac or PC. Use Finder or iTunes to install the update manually. It's going to be faster and skips the over-the-air bugs. Basically, this error just needs a bit of patience and the right steps. Once it's done, you'll be ahead with iOS 26 and all its new smart features. Any other questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help and look for more quick fixes for you. Anyways, that's how you fix the iOS 26 update requested error.